Hello and welcome back to our social studies lessons. This is our first grade map unit, lesson 17, where our essential question is, what is a map? Grab your map packet, book 2. And I think you're going to need your crayons. Open to the last page of your map packet. Put your name on the top of the page. And the first question is to list the 7 continents. I wonder how many of you remember. So let's start with where we live. Which continent are we on? North America. Go ahead and write that. Now, if you notice, there's little spaces between the lines, so we have room for 7 different names of continents. So we're in North America. And right below us is another America. What's that called? It's called South America. All right, so that's 2. Then we're going to go across the Atlantic Ocean and visit Europe. And next to Europe is Asia, the largest continent. We have below that Australia, the smallest continent. And below Europe is Africa. And at the very bottom, the southernmost continent is Antarctica. Wow. You probably need a teeny bit more time to write all those down, right? So we live in North America. And down south of us is South America. And if you travel across the Atlantic Ocean, you could visit Europe and Africa. And next to Europe is the largest continent, Asia. And below Asia is the smallest continent, Australia. And the very most southern at the bottom, Antarctica. Lastly, let's see here. Lastly, you're going to list the 5 oceans. Okay, so what are our 5 oceans? We in Washington live next to which ocean? The Pacific Ocean. And what did I just tell you we're going to cross if we go from the United States over to Europe or Africa? The Atlantic Ocean. Good. Okay. Up north is the Arctic Ocean. And we have the Indian Ocean. And we have the Southern Ocean down by Antarctica. So you'll want to do that. Then you're going to try and remember your continents so that you can color them. Now, the really great thing is we did this similar activity last lesson, and you could look back a page or 2, okay? So you're going to have to do this kind of on your own, but I'm going to read things to you, and you could do like we did last time and put a crayon mark, okay? So red crayon. The red crayon is for North America. Remember, we live in North America right now. North America is red. Now let your fingers travel across the Atlantic Ocean to Europe. You're going to use your orange on that. You'll color Europe orange. And this map didn't put the pretend line there. You're going to have to kind of guess about where that line should be, remembering that Asia is going to be colored purple, and Asia is the largest continent, okay? So don't make the purple area too small. And then remember, below the largest continent is our smallest continent. It looks kind of like an island because there's water around it. That one's Australia. Good day, mate. That wasn't a very good accent. All right, so Australia is our smallest continent. And just below Europe, you're going to color, oh, Australia is supposed to be brown. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you that. Australia is brown. Africa is going to be yellow, and it's right below Europe. And then remember our southernmost at the bottom, that continent is Antarctica. We're going to want to color that gray. And you're going to color the oceans blue, okay? All right, you might need parents or an older sibling to help you. There's 2 pieces of homework. First, I want you to take the test on teams. It's worth 5 points, and it is a chat test, so no one should help you pick your answers, but they can read to you, okay? And second, I want you to do this page in your packet. It's, I believe, 3rd from last in your booklet. You will need help with this homework. You'll color all the states that you have visited in your life. And if you were born in the United States, color that state too, but I want it to be a different color from the other states. So if you were born in California, you might color that one yellow, and all the other ones you visited, you might color blue or red, okay? All